Are your clients aware of today's popular CMS applications? Have they even heard of a content management system? I'm glad you asked. A content management system, or CMS, is an intuitive user interface for building websites. Creating even a basic website involves lots of coding, technical software, and a command line interface. A CMS like WordPress or Joomla replaces those complicated programming tools with an easy-to-use control panel. You simply point and click to change the content on a website. You might also hear CMS platform, WordPress, Joomla, Drupal, Magento. It's kind of like driving. For many motorists, a manual transmission is overwhelming with all the gear changes approaching curves and hills. It's far easier just to put an automatic transmission in park, drive, or reverse. That's how a CMS can simplify the experience of managing a website. Hope you learned how to explain what a CMS is. Leave a comment down below on what we should cover next. Thanks for watching.